Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Sherry 4x4. Today, I'm going to show off this 2021, this is a Jeep Rubicon, of course 4-door, and it's been upfitted with the Rocky Ridge K02 package on it, which includes a 3-inch suspension lift, 37-inch BFGoodrich K02 tires, and a lot more that I'm about to show you today. So let's take a look. Again, brand new Jeep, brand new lift package by Rocky Ridge. I love the bright white exterior and the red accenting all throughout. Really looks good. Driving down the road drives really amazing. If you never drove a Rocky Ridge upfitted product, you got to. And the reason they drive so good is they test all the materials that they add onto this Jeep, and a lot of them are engineered just for this product here, so you really get a complete performance driven Jeep Wrangler that's lifted up. So up front here we got a little Rocky Ridge emblem up on the windshield. The hood is the vented hood, allows heat out but keeps rain and water from going in. It is a Rubicon, so the Rubicons get you the painted fenders, the painted front top there. The fenders are a little taller than your standard Wrangler as well, being a Rubicon. That allows for these massive 37-inch, again, BFGoodrich, these are the K02s, these are the tires everyone wants. A really great tire on-road and off-road. 20-inch 4-play black wheels, looks really nice as well. As we get in here, you can see it has the Adventure Series Fox shock. That's a 2 diameter Fox shock. You notice the red coil there. So you got red accenting on your suspension parts around here. See your steering stabilizer, all that really professionally done. Then we come up in here, we have the Jeep Signature 7-slotted grille. It has the Stubby bumper, which is a Rocky Ridge bumper, a steel bumper, has integrated 20-inch LED light bar. Notice the accenting here with the tow hooks and the front plate here. All really looks good. Has your fog lights built in. This bumper acts as a giant front skid plate. As we come around to the side, you notice it is a 4-door. Boy, does that look good. I love the black wheels, the white top, the red accenting. Does have power running boards that's been added on by Rocky Ridge. They're the Amp Research running boards. Go over the, both set of doors here. Plenty of room back here in the back of these Jeep Unlimiteds. It's Jeep rubber matting. Has a sound bar up there. The top on this is a hard top, and it's the 3-piece hard top that is removable. The 2 front pieces come off real simple, just like T-tops. As we get to the back of the Jeep Wrangler, you notice it has the same size tire and wheel that we find on the rest of the Wrangler. A lot of lifted Wranglers I see on the road just has the factory wheel back there, and that's not going to work very well if you get a flat. And also just doesn't look good. This looks really slick, and in order for them to do that, they have to upgrade the mount, they have to upgrade the lighting, the camera, all that has to be upgraded. It's not a simple thing. That's why a lot of people just don't do it. But Rocky Ridge really just doesn't cut any corners. You notice here, door opens nice and smooth. They've beefed up that door in order to handle that bigger wheel and tire. This here is actually a bag. That's where your 2 front top T-tops go in. And we often get the question about warranty on these. How does it affect my warranty? Well, the Rocky Ridge components actually just complement the warranty from Jeep, and they don't void any of the Jeep warranty. Rocky Ridge has partnered with Jeep in order to do this, and they provide a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on everything that Rocky Ridge has done. In addition to that, this Jeep is Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard, so it passes all the government regulations and tests and makes for a nice riding vehicle on the road. The speedometer has been calibrated for these bigger wheels and tires as well. Now, financing is available on this complete package, and we here at Sherry 4x4 have made it really simple for our customers. I'll just post a quick link down below, so if you're interested in financing, want to see if you qualify, click on that link, fill out your information, we'll get back with you. All right, check out the inside here. So this being a Rubicon is going to have some special equipment on it that you don't find on any other Jeep Wrangler trim levels. So noticing Rubicon badging in the leather seat, Rocky Ridge headrest. Same rubber floor mats as we saw in the back, fit up here. And then on the touchscreen radio, I got the off-road package. So it's part of the Rubicon here. You can see your steering angle, your transfer case, what gear you're in basically. You can pull up the accessory gauges, and then you can pull up your pitch and roll. All really cool off-road things right here on this infotainment center. Now this radio is the 8.4 inch. It does have color backup camera. Let me put it in reverse and show that. Looks really cool. And then of course AM, FM, Sirius XM, and navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel. So it's got all the good stuff on it. It's a Rubicon. It's going to be fully loaded. Automatic heating and air conditioning system. And then this down here is where you get into some special equipment only found on the Rubicon. This has locking front and rear differentials, and this is how you do it right here. Again, only found on a Rubicon. And then over here, you can also disconnect the front sway bar. The reason you're going to do that is if you're off-road, need to get over those big boulders, and you need that suspension to travel further, you disconnect that front sway bar. So that's really slick. Here is that transfer case selector here where you can go from 2 high, 4 high, and then 4 low. Now 4 low is the Rock-Trac gearing, again, only found on the Rubicon. That's the 4-to-1 gear ratio. Really a super torquey gear ratio, so that's going to allow you to get up that steep stuff. Automatic transmission, I believe it's 8-speed in these. All around really awesome vehicles. So if you think this will work for you and want a Jeep Wrangler that looks different and that's gonna perform different than anyone else's out there, definitely take a look at this. This is powered by the 2-liter turbo, and it's really fun to drive. I've been driving around town here. I went and got a little sandwich before the video. So yeah, if you want to have some fun, definitely check this out. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.